Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will show you how to replace these LED bulbs which they last about one for a year or two. So let's check what's wrong with these LED bulbs. As you can see that it's not working. On the other hand, if I connect this one, it's working good. So this one is faulty. So first of all, remove the upper globe and check all these LEDs. If any of these LEDs is black or dead, again we have to connect it and let's check the output voltage from the driver. If there is no voltage, then the driver is faulty. I've set the multimeter to 600 volt DC mode. As you can see that no voltage from the driver, so the fault is of the driver. So let's open it up. First of all, remove this pin so the we will pull out the driver from its upper side. And remove this holder housing. As we can see that this main capacitor is bulky, swollen, so it's not working. It is not making the voltage across the driver, so that's why LED bulb is not glowing. So first of all, we have to remove this capacitor, and also we have to check these fusible resistors. Now take the multimeter and set it to continuity mode, and we have to check these fusible resistors. As you can see that it's giving 32 ohms, so it's good. This one is open, so we can also remove this and add a single strand wire instead of this. It will also work fine. So first of all, we have to remove this capacitor. Now we have to remove the capacitor. Capacitor is removed. Its value is almost 2.7 UF 500 volts. I will replace this with a different one. So let's check which capacitor I'm having. 2.7 UF. I will go for 4.7 UF 500 volts. Value can be up down. So let's replace it. Always make sure never connect these polarized capacitors backwards, otherwise they will blast. Secondly, we have to remove this resistor. Let's insert a single wire in place of a resistor. Now let's check for the final time. As you can see that it's working now. So we have repaired this LED bulb. Actually, there are only two major faults of the LED bulb which cause them to blow up. One of the major fault is of the driver, which we have replaced the capacitor, in which we have replaced the capacitor. The second is, one point is that these all LEDs are in series. So if any one of them is faulty or dead, it will stop the voltage to the other LEDs, and the bulb will not turn on. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.